Okay, so let's divide fractions and mixed number, but this is going to be just practice. So if you feel like you need a little bit more detail, please go to the longer video with more instruction, more detail. This is just going to be just some practice questions just to see if you understand this process. Feel free to pause right now to practice independently before I go over the answers, just to see whether you have it or not. And again, there is a longer video for those that need more help. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, question number 1, 5 divided by 2 over 7. So of course I have to turn my 5 into a fraction, and I do so by putting 5 over 1 divided by 2 over 7. So now that I have that set up, now I remember my steps: keep, change, and flip. Keep, change, and flip. Multiply straight across. 35 over 2. And of course I can't leave it like that. So I would need to see how many times 2 goes into 35. Let's look at number 2. And again, I have a mixed number, so I have to turn it into an improper. Then I will continue those same steps. Keep the first number, change my division to a multiplication, and flip, or reciprocal of my second one. Multiply straight across.